It's the final game at TIAA Bank Field for more than a month, and it comes while welcoming visitors from the Big Apple.
Out here once again on a lovely Sunday. Today we get the rain. Still lovely. Shout out to my mom.
Hey, come out here and put it on them. Show your team. Now, show yourself. Yes, we always do for the team. What you gonna do for yourself?
Hey, man, don't talk about it. Be about it. Talk your seat, man. Let's go and get this win. Win on me, win on 3, 1, 2, 3. Win.
An important day for the Jacksonville Jaguars, the opportunity to get to 500 on the year.
This is a Jets defense that is great against the run. Minshew's going to have a big day, but Greg Williams loves the blitz. You got to win early on first down, but expect a big day from Minshew to lead to a victory.
Man, y'all know what it is. Y'all know who it is. It's up there and it's stuck there. Ain't no coming down.
On 2nd and 8, Fournette. Right up the gut, Fournette showing the wheels. Inside Jets territory, one man to beat. Fournette still going. Adams and Roberts giving chase, and it's his ex-teammate at LSU, Adams, with a touchdown-saving tackle. 66-yard sprint by Fournette.
What a great job blocking by that right side that allows Fournette to make the cutback. Brandon Copeland, the linebacker, is expected to get underneath of Ogwehi, and he powers through Ogwehi, but it opens up a huge seam for Leonard Fournette, and his speed takes over.
Bro, you got slow, man.
Hey, your boy wants down.
That's your hook. No, I got to play, bro.
Gardner drops the throw, looks, fires to the back of the end zone. Keelan Cole, touchdown Jacksonville. Cole in the back of the end zone, and Jacksonville strikes first.
Oh, he got down.
It's actually called a jerk route because he fakes it outside, broke it to the middle, and that ball is thrown right on time as Cole's coming out of his break.
Way to go.
Here's Darnold somehow escaping. Darnold throws it near side of the field, and it is intercepted. Trey Herndon for Jacksonville.
How about that? The first pressure you get on Sam Darnold, he sees a ghost and allows Trey Herndon to get his first career interception.
Hey, remember what we said? Hey, this guy, when he's under duress now, throws that up there, right? Hell of a job sticking with those plays, all right? Sticking with your guys. Good job.
2nd and 7 from the 30-yard line. 1:30 to play in the quarter. 7-6. Jets lead it. Shotgun here. Play fake. Minshew hit. Got away from a defender. Fires deep downfield. There's Chris Conley. 40, 30, 25, 20. Inside the 15. Inside the 10. Into the end zone. Touchdown!
This time, it's pressure by Adams, the safety on Gardner Minshew. He keeps his cool and finds Conley for a huge strike and a touchdown.
Hey, that would get out right now.
Woo! Hey, if you don't get there, don't get disappointed. Just affect them, and then eventually, you guys know you'll get there.
Allen, top of your picture. Darnold feels the pressure. Here comes Allen from the back. Football is loose, and it is out of bounds.
That is the 4th consecutive game that Josh Allen has recorded a sack. He leads the NFL rookies. That is now 6 on the season. He's a monster.
You guys are backing these 2 guards and centers back. Just make sure, hey, lay that down. You're flipping off to go make that sack.
Jackson, 4, he drops the throw. They're going to rush him out of there, and they're going to hit him. DeJuan Smoot got him. It was only a 4-man rush, but DeJuan got him on the ground at the 15-yard line.
Series is over. You guys are too damn good. Let's keep this rolling now. Let's go.
43-yard attempt. Logan gets it down. Josh kicks it up, and the field goal attempt is good. Josh Lambo is 20 of 20 on the year, and he has never missed in this stadium. Darnold will take a knee, and that'll end the half. We count down the final 8 seconds. Good half for Jacksonville. Jags 19, Jets 7.
Hey, get jacked up now. Let's go. Let's get ourselves going now.
Darnold under center. Fresh set of downs for the Jets. Play action. Darnold is sacked again. never had a chance. Calais Campbell and Avery Jones combining on the tackle. 4th sack for this Jaguars defense.
2nd and 14. Darnold drops the throw. He is going to get hit. He's going to get sacked again. Yannick Ngakoue got him that time. Jacksonville is alive and well here on the First Coast.
You guys are on the same page communication level out there and the game's going. There ain't a better D-line than you guys. You guys got me on it?
The sense of urgency got to stay where it is. All right, sense of urgency got to stay where it is.
3rd down and 7 from the 36-yard line. An all-out blitz again. Darnold is hit. Darnold is sacked. They got him again. Ronnie Harrison, the blitzing safety, got him back at the 30-yard line.
Yes, sir. Get you one. Get you one. Get you one. Get you one. Get you one.
Make sure I detail our alignment, our eyes, and our communication, all right, and all that little stuff, man, and technique. All right, so when the ops come, we capitalize on it.
Just past the 9-minute mark, 4th quarter. Darnold's going to take a shot up the seam, and it is picked. Boye with the interception.
What great coverage by A.J. Boye on Vincent Smith. And he makes his first interception of 2019. A.J. Boye now the #1 corner with a huge play in this ballgame.
Thank you for letting me have it. Hey, get that ball to your baby girl. Yeah.
3rd and goal from the 8. Minshew drops the throw. Minshew looks, scrambles to his right. Looks, pump fake, still looks, pump fake. Fires toward the end zone. Caught by DJ Chark, touchdown! Chark attack in the corner of the end zone.
That's a foul right there, man.
Dropping his Darnold blitz, an all-out blitz. Fires to the right side. Diving attempt by Trey Herndon. Did he pick it off? Yes, he did. Trey Herndon's 2nd interception of the game. And the Jags have another takeaway from the New York Jets.
Hey, bro. Come on, hey, bro.
Okay, Trey.
The Jags have won for the 2nd time in a row, and they even their record at 4-4 with a 29-15 victory.
Good dub, man. Let's keep going, man. Jaguars on 3. 1, 2, 3. Jaguars!